This part I will do. So here you can start doing it. So click on a create
Yes,
new
sir.
virtual machine. Yeah, very fast.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is open. It don't worry. So typical continue. That's it. Continue. Okay.
Like
Window.
it, sir.
If we are going Windows Server 2019, right? So Microsoft
Yes.
Windows instead of Windows 10, click on it. Find out where is a Server 2019. Windows Server 2019. Yes, very
Here
good.
it is.
Click it. Next.
Yeah.
So change my name. Change virtual machine name first. Remove entirely.
Yeah. Uh,
Okay. CTS 5. 5. Number 5. Not file.
okay.
CTS 5.
Yeah.
Hyphen. Hyphen.
Icon.
Win. In cap letters only. Win. WIN. Hyphen. S1. Means server 1. Okay.
Yes.
Go to locations. Remove my entire location. Press H colon slash.
H, sir.
H. Yeah. Hyderabad.
H drive. Okay.
Colon slash. Select CTS 5 2021.
Yes, here it is.
Yes. Click on last. Click on H 21. No. There only. Yeah. Slash.
Okay.
Copy my virtual machine name. Copy my virtual machine name. Name S1. No.
Okay, sir. Okay, I got it.
Okay. This name.
Yes.
Copy it. Yeah, we can able to do it. No, wala. Next time onwards, each one person will do one part of practical. I will take rest. 60 GB enough for our practical. So select the single file. You want to increase? Increase it also, no problem. Put 80 GB. Type 80 directly. Select single file. Single file, first one.
Okay.
Okay. Next. Customize hardware. Okay. 2 GB enough. So no need to change at present. Processor 11. One processor is enough.
Okay.
Select
Yeah.
first option. Select virtualize Intel VTX
Okay.
CD-ROM. Select CD-ROM. Use ISO image file. Browser. Browse. It is my G drive. Go to downloads folder. It is in my downloads folder.
Okay.
No, not that.
Yes.
No. Not. I don't put in my C drive downloads. Yeah, this is the image. Okay. Okay. So click open. Next, network adapter. Click on network adapter. Left side.
Yes.
Custom. VMnet 1. Go to custom. Right hand side custom. VMnet 1. 1. We
We
are
are at
using
one
for,
host.
yes, one host only. So we don't want internet for servers.
Yes.
Okay. Close. Down close is there. So okay, finish. Okay. Edit virtual machine settings. Next, here all settings are correct. Okay, so go to options,
Yes.
options tab, hardware tab, options tab, top. See the top.
Yeah.
Okay, go to advanced. UEFI is selected. Very good. Then
Yes.
VMware tools. VMware tools. Time sync off. Left side. Left side. Select synchronize guest time host. Okay, time will be synchronized. Click OK.
Yes.
In bottom OK. Okay, so then little bit wait. I have to add 3 lines. That is confuse more. So I'm doing that one.
Hmm.
So here vmnet file. So vm edit file. Guys, we are adding this thing for hyper-v purpose only. Okay, if you forget to add these lines, it's okay, but I want virtualization, internal virtualization. For this one only I'm adding. So this is the s1 file, s1 folder, right? So this is my .vmx. Right click. Okay, open with notepad. Scroll down, pull down. Okay, so here I copied safely. When I'm closing this one, save. This is not required now. Minimize or close. Then let's continue installation. Now power on my virtual. Okay, wait. Change RAM to 4 GB for installation purpose. Change RAM to 4 GB. Yeah, very good. Now 2 GB to 4 GB. Very good. Okay. Now power on the virtual machine. Start installation. Like Windows 10 only OS selection is different. In a OS list, you have to select the fourth one. So click enter, click enter. Gone. You miss clicking. I'm putting enter.
Yes, I click now.
You clicked, but it is not accessible.
Hmm.
Okay, we'll see that one once options are there. Otherwise, I will do it
Okay, sure.
because virtual machine, no. So maybe it is may not work. And it is working, but still we don't know this one. Try to select time and currency format. English India.
Okay. Still the control is in my hand, sir.
Yeah, right. I didn't remove.
Okay. But it's not
Moving
showing
at
any
all.
option. Yeah, now got it.
It's not running, right? So internal virtual machine currently are not able to control. Okay.
Huh. Yeah.
So select English India. Next, install now. That's it. It is very simple. It will take only 15, maximum 20 minutes to get a screen. After installation, I'll try to give control again.
Okay, sir.
Guys, so compulsory remember, in this list select the last one. Blindly select the last one. If you select first one, or a third one, it is very dangerous. You have to select second or fourth one because it's a desktop experience. Desktop experience means GUI mode. Desktop experience means GUI. You'll get a graphical screen. If you select it is a core CMD screen, command prompt only. If you install command prompt, that is on your risk only. All are 64-bit only. Okay. Select the last one. Don't forget. If you say, sir, I put a first one, second one kind of stuff, that is up to you. So I want desktop experience, either second or fourth. My choice is fourth. Okay. And fourth one is better. Data center, guys, data center. It's standard only, it's cheaper. This is costly. Okay. I'm going to next. Okay. Today, complete your Windows 10 practicals. If you have a time, install. If you have a time, install 2016 today. Otherwise, tomorrow you can install. Tomorrow afternoon, I'll start server. So meanwhile, 2 3 practicals, important practicals are there for my satisfaction.
Downloaded 2019, sir.
2019.
Yes, sir. You said 2019 only, no?
Yeah, 19 on 19 19 19 19. Not 16. 19 only. Even if I said 16 also 19. Any server, okay. Which
Okay,
one I
sir.
have to select? This one or this one?
Custom
Custom.
installation.
Custom installation only because it's a fresh installation. Custom. Next step.
New. Apply. Next.
That is wow.
Sir, it's for Tushar, sir.
Okay. Now it is divided into four parts: recovery, system, MSR, reserved partition. So 59.4 GB. That is our one. So fourth one. Next. That's it. You have to wait to complete this one. Shift F10. Actually not required, but I already told it's a kind of hobby to do that one. Yeah, my mouse is also doing task MGR. What is task MGR?
Task management.
Task manager.
Task manager. What happened? It is not auto open. Maybe it is feeling shy. Yeah, it is open. Right click. Go to process.
Sir, how did you open the command prompt?
That is secret, which is I told already.
We forgot it, sir. Can you tell again?
Yeah. So Shift F10. Have your function keys are there now? F1, F2, F3, F4.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know.
Yeah.
I know.
Shift F10.
Shift.
Shift F10. Parallel.
Okay, sir.
Let it install this one. It take time anyway. So when we are going to server, so server theory, I didn't tell any introduction about server, what to see about server. Only I'm telling the server installation now because it's end of the day. So usually we don't get a more interested to listen some theory points and doing some practical, step by step practicals, right? Installation is quite entertainment. We got some time, relax, sitting. Parallelly also you can complete. That's why I told. What is these options? So there is a make a presenter also there. We can make someone as a presenter. Include media sound. So we'll try presenter. Again we do. So some people are putting questions, but I'm not checking that chat box. So Tushar said, I remotely accessed my virtual machine with physical. Very good. Yeah, you can access things maybe, but how you access total environment? Sir, again, do you have to install Windows on VMware? You are asking Windows 10, Yashwant? Okay, not required. Not required. You have Windows 10 already there, right? Already we installed Windows 10 that we use as a client. If you don't install again, only we install Windows 10 again at DevOps, Python DevOps. That time I ask you to install Windows 10 again. Okay.
So now we have to install Windows 2019 server, no sir? Windows 10 2019 server.
Windows Server 2019.
Okay, sir.
So here, guys, look at this one. Workstation, or we can say client. It means Windows. Windows is a name of operating system. Workstations are a client. It means Windows 7, 8, 8.1, Windows 10, XP, 98, 97, 95, Windows 1. These are all comes under Windows NT, 2000 professional, Windows NT in a client manner, in Windows NT workstation. So those are workstation operating system. Means Windows 10 is a workstation for normal usage purpose or a client side usage purpose only. Server is a separate operating system. Windows servers. It's not just a server, Windows servers. Microsoft, when you come to Microsoft, carefully you have to tell Windows servers or servers. So Windows servers current version is 19, 2022 is going to be released, not yet released, not yet released. 16, 2012 and 2012 R2. So I will put it in a parallel manner. I'm writing in a reverse order. 2022 not yet released, guys, to 16. 12 R2, that is also one version. 12, 2008 R2. These are all pure 64-bit. Compulsory 64-bit hardware is required. Remember that one. 2008 32-bit 64. Two versions are there. 2003 professional enterprise. 2000 server. So in a 2000 compulsory you have to tell 2000 server, because 2000 professional normal XP like a PC is also there. Okay. So 2003 2000 NT. These are Windows Server versions in reverse order. Okay, this is 1632-bit. This is 32-bit. 32-bit more popular, 64 less editions. 2008 32-bit, 64-bit. Okay, so these are the Windows servers. Only difference is lot of differences. At any time, very less services. 2000 is a basic services like Active Directory. 2000 is very important one, and 2003 if you are going to things like to Active Directory, DHCP, DNS, remote desktop services, routing and remote access services. These services are introduced and more popular in the here only. This is the introduction one only. Very less options are there. Okay, so here it is there. 2008 onwards, more services like a VPN, routing and remote access, related print services, remote desktop services, Active Directory, DHCP, DNS, Active Directory right management system, Active Directory certification system, Active Directory federation services, server core, server core introduced in 2008 only, and 64-bit 2008 Hyper-V is introduced here only. This is having a Hyper-V. The comparison is this is having Hyper-V. This is don't have Hyper-V. Means in 64 it is there. This is compulsory there. This is a beautiful one. So 2012 to 2019, you don't feel much differences. Only certain services roles, very light difference only. Entire environment is same from 2012 to 2019. That's why either you install 16 or 19, both are okay, no problem. Only some futuristic differences are there. I'm not going much depth because I want to take you more relax. Just to know naming. Which one is client? Which one is server? Okay. Uh, any other questions? No, Bala. Still, it is installing. Will be going to be 10-15 minutes max. Server will be completed. Installation completed. Some people will get a doubt, guys. Like, sir, I'm my Windows 10 is installed, and now I'm installing 2019 server. So, may I have to delete this virtual machine? Not required. Okay, not required. I have a lot of virtual machines. Occasionally, I will delete. Occasionally, only I will delete. So, which is if I don't require again, so I will delete it. So, for example, I want to delete this one. Manage, delete from the disk. So, where is that? Here it is. Okay.
Sir, what is the difference between server and client? Is it necessary to install client? I mean server.
Okay. Good question. What is server? What is client? Because I don't want to go theory now, so that's why I have not started. But I will go to small while we are doing this one. So we'll why we should keep silent. So server. Did you check your IP address? I'm not going very definitions wise. Did you check? Do you have a IP address in your client PC? Means your PC.
Yes.
So how you got IP address? You didn't assign IP address, right? You didn't
In
assign
virtual machine talking, sir.
physical machine, normal machine, any machine, mobile phone, anything, anything.
If config.
You checking IP address, not assigning IP
Okay.
address. If config,
Okay.
IP config, all are check the IP address. Do you assign IP address? Now black screen is very good. So clearly it is viewing, right? Who given IP address to your machine?
Host, sir. Router, LAN connection, LAN connection.
Router.
sir. Router will give the IP address.
Very good. Good. Correct answer. In our home systems, you have a mobile phone, two mobile phone, laptops, desktop, whatever the device you have. When you are connected to your Wi-Fi router is giving IP address. But which part of that router? What service of that router? Okay. Yes. In our places, router is giving the router.
DHCP.
Very good. Correct answer. DHCP. DHCP service. So
Dynamic.
it is giving
Dynamic
IP address
host
to
endpoint.
client, right? So this is DHCP client. Our system is DHCP client automatically. So you can check the services also. DHCP client. This become DHCP server. So server giving IP address to client. It means something is giving, right? Server client. Very simple. It's not our Windows server, but still it acts like a server. Okay. I will give another examples also. Don't worry. So still, I like this black color because this red color is visibility is good. Now, client side, client side. You given www which dot coms you see? Facebook.com.
Facebook.com.
Or I like w3schools.com only, not facebook.com, because it's a very short notes. You know, when you learn something from w3schools.com, you feel like you learn lot of things. Then if you go to the Java T point, you disappoint. Java T point is a disappoint because actually it contains so much of material. This is a Q10 shot, right? You put a w3schools.com. Already I told all communications by IP address only. So this server has a IP address, but we don't know. We don't know IP address of w3schools.com. Who gave us IP address of w3schools.com? IP address of w3schools.com. Who gave you IP address of w3schools.com? You know answer. Already I told also.
Router.
You know guys, but you think it is wrong.
DNS server.
Yeah. DNS server. In DNS server, there is a big structure is there. I will explain when we are going to servers part. In DNS server, it has a lot of mapping, like a com server address, like that. So much of history is there, but it's very simple. DNS server provide IP address to the client, okay, of any domain. Oh, someone is sending message. I think Ramesh. I think, yeah, she's going to attend tomorrow. I think. Okay, okay, like this. Yeah, customize settings. We got it now. Okay, I will go to another server examples also. Okay, meanwhile I have to attend. So guys, you don't need to create any username. By default, one username is there. Later, if you want, you can create other users. Okay, but here administrator already user is there in server. Just you have to give password. Guys, compulsory give easy password, and my preference is admin @123. My advice is better to give admin@123 or Vedic@123 only. Do not give very strong password, which password you usually forget. Your name, password, honey at the rate of 2021. So don't give like password. Okay. If in case if you got any problem, if I am logging, I get confused with your passwords also. Give admin@123 or Vedic@123 only at present. Later, if you are doing on your own, you can give all strong passwords. You can suffer no problem. But in my class, when you got a problem, I will suffer, not only you. Okay. So I'm giving username and password. Finish. See. Okay. It will take again just 5 more minutes, less than 5 minutes. It will get a screen. So once I will show the screen and I will close it. It is the first time, right? Okay. It won't take much time also. It should take some time. So guys, when you want to go to the server, you have to press Alt Control Delete. But it is not a physical machine. It is a VMware virtual machine, VMware workstation virtual machine. What I have to type?
Control insert.
Alt Control Insert.
Insert.
Insert. Okay. If insert button you don't find, use I. Alt Control I or Alt Control Insert. If function key is there, if insert in function, then use the function. So it is logging. Again, it will take 2-3 minutes. One day I'm taking to class to my madam, means she's like a manager, technical manager part. She's got suddenly interest to learn what we are teaching, that cloud servers installations, multiple clusters and all. So she want to write exam, like she want to move further one. She's suddenly got interested. We don't like each other generally. I'd never expected. So I'm the kind of guy, like it is. I'm talk too much to the students and never talk to the management. That's why I got lot of balance. Okay. Um, like this only I tell. It will take 5 minutes to complete. It take half an hour. It took half an hour. If I said, madam, no problem, it will take half an hour. You can have some tea and coffee. You can come back. So she tried to move from there. Meantime, it is completed also. So we can't predict these machines. Don't expect anything from the server, like it will give you exact point. Okay. I told her 5 minutes means it will take 10 10 20 minutes. If I said 10 20 minutes, it will take 5 minutes only. So don't worry about it. Guys, we are getting a time. So not here, actually my physical machine giving this time to here, but I got a time, right? So now it is 18:07, like this, right? Who give me this time? Who given this time? How my time is set? I didn't set my time. How I got time? How my system got time like this? Tell me. Any idea?
So they want physical machine.
Yeah, I'm talking about physical mission only. I'm going to adjust date and time. Mm. So I'm going to this additional clock for a different time, date and time, internet time, change settings again. Can you see this one?
Yes, sir.
Time.windows.com. Again, I open time.windows.com. From here, my time is synchronized initially. Okay, so what is the server name? What is the name of that one? Depends upon my time zone. Depends upon my time zone, I will get the time from that server. Times dot Windows server. Okay, what kind of server it is? What's that server is giving? What is that server is giving me? At least tell me that one. I will make you to tell answer also. Hmm? What it is giving? Times dot Windows dot com. What it is giving to me? What is my request? We'll see that one.
Time zone.
It is giving
The time zone, sir.
based on my time zone. What I'm getting?
The time.
Time only, date and time only. Okay, so
Time.
it is giving me date and time. It means the server is NTP server, Network Time Protocol, NTP server. It synchronize your time with the server based on your time zone. Based on your time zone. Understand? The server provide service, a particular service or a multiple services to client. Client, we are accessing the services. So that's why we required to test the server and the client. Okay, like that. So guys, this is our server. This is a server manager. You can see a server manager here, and here it is a dashboard, left side. So if you want to do directly anything, so for first time or quick start kind of stuff, you can do it. Configure this local server means this server only. This is a local server means my server, and also I can manage remote server also. I can manage remote servers also like this. Okay. Yeah, here it is. Some settings are there. You can see here I have a i5 processor, 4 GB RAM, 60 GB hard disk. This is the operating system 2019 data center evolution. Hardware information VMware 7 1 something it is showing like this. This is a computer name like that. Okay. Just I want to show you. This is a manage add roles and features. It means as earlier said DHCP, DNS, time. I said no. So those
Sir, what will you wait?
what happened?
At what time we will end the session, sir?
I will end it. I will end it when it is ended.
Okay, sir. Actually, I have some work. That's why I asked.
Yeah, I have lot of works. Okay, don't worry. Just only VMware tools I will install. If it is very urgent, you can leave, no problem. But installation is completed. Guys, can you see these services? These are all services by Windows servers. Don't click on anything. Just click here, read the description once you are installed it. Okay. Windows update service, like it will provide updates. Deployment service, it install operating system to remote PCs. Web server, provide web pages to the client. Okay. Volume activation, it activate the users. Remote desktop services, provide a remote desktop kind of services. Remote access, VPN services. Print and document services, printer services, accessing printer kind of stuff. Network policy, accessing through VPN, then related network policies we can do it. Hyper-V, virtual machines, like you can create a virtual machines here. Hyper-V. Here one some more are there. FSRM, file server resource manager. This is file server, but I want a file server resource manager. Quota creation on the storage. Okay. Branch caches, iSCSI maintenance. That is DNS server. See, DHCP server, Active Directory domain services for authenticating users centrally. So these are main roles of Windows Server. So it providing that services to the client. Client access that services. Actually, client request for the particular services. Server will provide a services. The more we can understand later. So this is just for an example. Okay, later we do all the settings, but only one thing I want to do, and then I will shut down the PC is install VMware tools. Then I will get a wider screen. Actually, Windows Server except Active Directory. Active Directory is a big practical. All remaining are small practical, but slowly one by one, if you do it, we'll enjoy the server. But my Windows networking, my practicals are pending. You know how to install it, right? So I'm not taking more time to install. That's why. Some people are already hungry and some are already sleeping. Okay, maybe some people are already attempting suicide. All these subjects are very good, guys. No problem. I will warn before I will start ITIL. So the at least by day before you have to buy your favorite kind of stuff like a Amrutanjan, Jendu bomb, Patanjali bomb. Okay, so like a Patanjali Dantakanti, Patanjali something head kanti something is there, then you can buy that one.
Right, sir.
Yeah, that's completely stories only. Not at all. Not even one single practical till completion of the thing.
Dantakanti ఎందుకు వచ్చింది సార్ మధ్యలో?
What happened?
Dantakanti, it's a toothpaste, sir.
Good paste. Okay, so your favorite one. I have a fear of using a
మీరు జెండు
Patanjali.
బామ్ గురించి చెప్తున్నారు కదా మధ్యలో దంతకాంతి.
No, so, Patanjali toothpaste for teeth, Dantkanti, for hair, Kesh Kanti. Maybe something there is a Sir Kanti is there.
వజ్రదంతి, వీకో వజ్రదంతి.
Vico Vajradanti is a old traditional. They are not going with that kind of. So Kanti is not there. Vajradanti means it's a strong teeth. Dant Kanti means your teeth will glow. Kesh Kanti,
Glow, white.
air will glow. And head Kanti or
So
Sir
that
Kanti,
become white if you use that shampoo.
your head will be glow.
Sir, do you made any bachelor's in Sanskrit?
Huh?
How fluently you are speaking, sir, those meanings?
It is not even a Sanskrit, it's general words. If you know Telugu, then you learn, you know everything. It's a mixing language. Telugu people, the specialty of Telugu people, like, you know, Tamil people, if you take Tamil people, know Tamil. Malayalam people know compulsory Malayalam. You Maratha people know Maratha. Hindi people means like MP, Delhi people know Hindi kind of stuff. Kannada people know Kannada. But Telugu
But
people
Telugu people
never
are
know Telugu. It is their mixing language. That's why any language is acceptable for Telugu people. We don't know Telugu. Even I studied in Telugu medium up to 10th class Telugu medium. Still, I don't know much Telugu. Okay. Even Telugu is my mother tongue also. It means my our family and everything we speak Telugu only. So we came from Bhimavaram and all. So West Godavari. We speak only in Telugu.
You are
Okay.
from Vizag?
Yeah, we living in Vizag. My father got job in Vizag and we stayed in Vizag only. That too, Anakapalli means it's a small town only. Okay. Which one I have to select?
no.
Very good. Why?
We need to
I don't want to
open
restart. I
screen.
want to shut down.
No,
That's
we need to shut down, yes.
just you have to give another one. Continue like this. Shut down the machine. After shutting down, change your RAM compulsory. Otherwise, when you open it, forget Okay. You again you open with 4 GB. Follow me, Lacker. 4 GB for 8 GB or more than 8 GB people per only. Immediately change it 2 GB. 2 GB enough, guys. Not a problem. Okay, it's 2 GB. Now I change my thing to 2 GB. So next time, no problem. So here I can use both the machines. Okay, this is my server, this is my client. I can open both the things when I do server practicals. But currently, tomorrow morning, only client practicals. Afternoon, I will start servers. Okay, that's it for today.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Can we leave?
Yeah, leave.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
This conference is no longer being recorded.